Question 2 says that ABC is a right triangle which is right angled at C. So ABC is a triangle which is right angled at the vertex C. If AB is 25 centimeters and AC is 7 centimeters, find BC. So we have to find the length of BC. So this is actually a very simple application of the Pythagoras theorem. Let's draw a triangle ABC with these given lengths. So we have AC as 7 centimeters. So let's draw AC as a vertical segment. Okay, and then BC is unknown. So let's draw BC as our horizontal side of the triangle like this. And then this is the hypotenuse AB, which whose length we know. So let's label these vertices. We have A, C and B. And we know that the triangle is right angled at C. So this angle here is 90 degrees. And AC is 7 centimeters. And BC is unknown. We have to find its length. And AB is 25 centimeters. Okay, so now we can apply the Pythagoras theorem to triangle ABC to find the length of BC. So by the Pythagoras theorem, what will we have as the relationship between the three sides? So the square of the hypotenuse, so AB square must be equal to AC square plus BC square. Okay, so let's apply this and find the length of BC. So AB square is 25 square. So we get 25 square is equal to AC square or 7 square plus BC square. BC we don't know. So we'll write it as BC square. So from here we get BC square is equal to 25 square minus 7 square, which is equal to 625. 25 square is 625 minus 7 square is 49. So we get 625 minus 49, which is equal to 576. So BC square is equal to 576, and this means that BC is equal to root of 576, and the root of 576 is 24. Okay, so BC is 24, which means that the length of this third side is 24 centimeters. So this is the answer, 24 centimeter for question number 2.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.